Told me I'm a fighter, but I see you creeping on me. And these thoughts are all below me. Love me longer, hold me tight.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today we are talking about a wig that Ebony Line sent me. The name of the wig is Freetress equal Letty, color PB30. This is what the wig looks like when you first take it out of the pack. Y'all, I was blown away. I was like, oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at that side invisible L part. As you can see, just showing y'all that up close, showing y'all what the wig looks like right out of the pack. 2 combs by the part, and you have a comb in the back of the wig with adjustable straps, just showing you the inside details of this wig. This is once again an invisible lace part wig. It's not a lace front, lace apart. This is a synthetic unit. This is not a human hair wig, so of course you are gonna have some tangling and a little bit of shedding. There wasn't too much shedding with this wig, but I will say that this wig does tangle. I'm showing you the baby hairs here. I didn't really bother with those, but you can slick those down to get a more seamless look. But this is the first day of me wearing the wig here. And here in the next clip, I'm showing you how long the hair is, of course, and how beautiful the color is. And this clip here, the wig is 3 days old. Well, this is me the 3rd day of wearing the wig. And as you can see, there is a little bit of matting going on by the neck area, a little tangling, a lot of more flyaways than before. So yes, I will say about this wig, the synthetic unit, you have to take extra care of this wig. Much more care than most synthetic units, because like I said, it tangles. So I would recommend flexi rod in this unit, or just keeping her in a safe place on your wig head, keeping her out of the way. Like, this is a wig that you're gonna like not want to play in. You want to put it on and keep your hands out of it, and try not to swing it around or anything like that, because yes, all of that contributes to the tangling you see here. But for the most part, the wig to me still looks good, but just not as great as it did the first day of wearing it. It did get a little bigger. Like I said, I ran my hands through this a little bit, played with it, had a whole photo shoot with it. So yeah, it did kind of poof up on me. But other than that, the wig is totally comfortable to wear. It's not irritable at all. I could wear this wig all day long with no complaints. Very big head friendly, because my hair was not flat under this wig at all, so that's great. Thanks so much, Ebony Line, for sending me this unit. Do me a favor, you guys, thumbs up this video for me, please. Share. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.